Wow! If a triangle gets 3 times bigger on the sides, does the area get 3 times bigger too? Nope, it gets 9 times bigger. Here's why. Area is two-dimensional. When a shape scales up, it doesn't just get wider, it also gets taller. So if the side lengths are multiplied by 3, the width becomes 3 times bigger and the height becomes 3 times bigger. That means the total area scales by 3 times 3, which equals 9. You can see this on a grid. Start with a small triangle, stretch it horizontally by 3. Now stretch it vertically by 3. Suddenly the shape covers way more squares than before. Not 3 times more, 9 times more. That leads to the rule you need to remember. If side lengths scale by k, area scale by k squared, so you always square the scale factor. Now let's solve the problem. The triangles are similar and the scale ratio is 3 to 1. That means the side scale factor is 3. Next, square it. 3 squared equals 9, so the area scale factor is 9. The smaller triangle has area 10 square centimeters. Multiply by 9. 10 times 9 equals 90. So the larger triangle has area 90 square centimeters. And here's a quick proof using the triangle area formula. Area equals 1/2 base times height. If the base triples and the height triples, then the formula becomes 1/2 times 3b times 3h. That simplifies to 9 times 1/2 bh. So the area becomes 9 times larger. A really common mistake is saying, the sides tripled, so the area triples. But area depends on 2 dimensions, not 1. Final shortcut. Side length scale by k, area scale by k squared. 3 becomes 9, and the answer is 90 square centimeters.